job, Gabriella. Good job. Woohoo! Do you want to do it again?
Over there. Let's go get it.
Push. There you go. Push, Daddy's. He's helping you so you can kick off his hands. There you go. Oh, I heard that groan. Good job, Gabby. Good girl, Gabriella. Good girl.
Even just a little, like eye drop, will get you.
How was that feeling, brother? Grabs you right where you want to. Well, let me just help you out, everybody. There you go. Wonder that. Even though this dish might make you cry, it's actually called Tiger Cry beef because of how the meat cooks.
That looks good.
Beef cut against the grain. When we throw it on the grill, those fat's gonna drip, it's gonna flame, which has the tears.
She's like, let's do it again, Daddy. Do it again.
The steak goes on the grill
Ball
after
is there.
soaking in a garlic and lemongrass marinade. And it's great because the lemongrass, once it hits the grill, it totally
Good girl. Push hard.
dipping sauce.
Wrong way.
Push him with one foot and not the other.
Gotta push with both feet. Practice again.
Hot sauce, man. Now you see you got scotchies and habaneros here, right?
There you go.
You see it's a little bit bigger.
All right. Whoa.
She's doing the motion.
Yeah.
One leg forward.
I give her next week, Trey.
Don't rush it.
I don't know. Woo! And you rolled over with the ball in one hand. In one hand. Can you throw it to your daddy?
Throw it to Daddy.
If she really did that, I would crack up laughing. Throw it to Daddy. Remember how you rolled the ball?
Have the ball?
Together to really throw a beat down on your palate. That is hot butter. It's that kind of heat that makes you want to keep going back. And it's very open. There's a lot of citrus in that.
Your turn.
Yeah, so really, really
Throw it.
sharp and bright. That is tasty, man. I tell you, this has been an absolute treat. Thank you, respect.
Or eat it. Same thing.